Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 1st, 2018, and my diamond eggplant, one of them started blooming. It was actually open yesterday, but the camera was charging, so by the time that it was finished, it had closed up. So, I wanted to show you here how to hand pollinate these. You can see what it looks like. And what I do with mine is you can either take a paintbrush and take the pollen, which is this part here, and dab it on the stamina here. But what I'm actually going to do with mine is I'm just going to gently snap the blossom, and that's going to help it to pollinate. We're really down on our pollinators this year, and they've just been declining. And I had this happen when I first started growing eggplants years ago, where I would have blossoms but they would never set fruit, and here they weren't getting pollinated. So what I actually do is I just come and I just snap the bloom here like this. Now you want to do that gently, you don't want to bust the bloom off or anything like that. And that'll help to pollinate that. Or you can use the paintbrush. So, one thing you want to watch out for is if you have a really thorny variety of eggplant, because sometimes the thorns will be on this part too. So, you do risk jagging yourself if you have one like that. So you can use the paintbrush instead if you choose. So, I'll show you here. So these are all diamond eggplants here. And this one over here is an early long purple. You can see all of the thorns in the leaves there. And my ping tongs are getting ready to bloom. And so is my, I believe it's Shooting Stars one. Let me check the tag here. Oh, Black Beauty. Okay, Black Beauty is getting ready to bloom for me too. So, just want to give you the quick update on that. When this sets fruit, I'll come back with another video and I'll show it to you. Now I do snap these more than once a day because I want to make sure that they get pollinated very well. And like yesterday I was snapping the blossom, and today I'm doing the same thing with it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.